Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be jumping into quite a few different memes because Bitcoin has finally hit over $60,000. But what does that mean for the rest of the market? Well, in today's video, we're going to revisit the BTC charts as well as Total Free and a couple of other memes. If you find that interesting, guys, then you know what time it is. And it's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets, and let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Right, okay. So firstly, thank you very much for giving me this love and support for the past few days. I have been ill, guys. I'm still pretty ill, but nowhere near as I was for the past few days. But hopefully now I should be back with a bang. Continuing on with quite a few contents, I would just like to say a big shout out to all of my members only subscribers right over here. Thanks to Mr. J over here. Sorry, I should actually catch you all of your names, but let me make a proper introduction of you all for my next video where you will have your names running down the screen, or at least the bottom half of my screen whenever we do a show. But anyway, just like to say a big shout out to all of my private members right over here. Guys, if you'd like to become a private member, all you have to do is head over to my membership tab over there, tap onto that and become a member. And that way you'll be subscribed to all of my latest and how to trade these memes with some conviction. But anyway, we'll get more into that in the next couple of days, especially now that I'm fully re-energized, well, almost fully re-energized and almost back to normal. And sorry if I kind of neglected you all, guys. Trust me, it's not deliberate. Sometimes you need a bit of a resting cooling off period time, which I needed, but my resting of cooling period time was in fact to go see my doctors, and looks like I got one more appointment next week. But anyway, I won't go too much into that because you're here purely for my total crypto analysis. Okay, so first things first, let's quickly take a look at what's going on with BTC. Because right now, BTC is not looking too bad, and if you do hear thumping noise, that's because I don't have my mouse on me today, so I do apologize. Anyway, with BTC, so far it's not looking too bad actually, because if we had a bit more further, much lower, and broken down this white line over here, then we could have gone even much more lower levels. It would have been at least roughly back down here. I'm not ruling this out completely as of yet. Even though we are pumping to the upside, there still could be a chance of rolling over to these levels down here. So it might be worth, if you do have a large enough capital, to put at least some limit orders over here, but do not neglect any potential trades that could continue forward. I'll explain you that in a short while. But let's take a look what's happening with Total Free, because Total Free is more or less moving in the same shape and setup as BTC. Yes, as we can see, it looks like a more or less like a decent bull flag. It is respecting it as a bull flag as well. So that means potentially we could see a blast to the upside. Why don't we zoom in just a little bit more? And then straight after this analysis, guys, we're going to go straight into the memes. Oh, wow, look at that. That looks like a perfect bull flag, actually. As long as we break above here and we retest this line up here, this is the upper trend line for the bull flag. Once we do break above there, then guys, we should be seeing a much more higher prices. Now, what does that mean for the meme space itself? Well, firstly, let's take a look at what's going on. All right, so it looks like the Binance memes are doing pretty well today, because we've got Poseidon is up by 52%. So we have, I think, Binance Cat, is that's at 41%. Baby Brett is at 15% on a day. Let's check out Baby Brett, because I have been pumping Baby Brett content. I believe the last time I pumped the Baby Brett meme token was just about a month ago. And as we can see, guys, look at this. Even on a daily chart, it's looking very, very positive. So it looks like we are grinding our way to the upside. Oh, look at this, guys. This could be a trade coming in. Perfect. All we've got to do now is just smash above this level right over here, guys. Then it looks like we are in a trade. Once we do smash this level, If we do, then we should be expecting a continuation to the upside. Once we do smash this level, our next leg up should be roughly around about up here. Now, as long as BTC and Total 3 is continuing its way to the upside, then I wouldn't be surprised to see baby bread head up around about this level right here. It's still been fairly consistent. Whilst we were down here, we went sideways and then we pumped up. We created like a new leg up, and now it looks like we could be gearing up for another move to the upside. That's looking pretty decent. Let's have a look what's going on with Bird Dog, because we are up by 14% on a day. I know a few of my friends and a few other people who are my lovely subscribers and members and my students has been taking this trade, and if so, guys, you'll be up by 40% for today. That's not looking too bad. Okay, so let's do a little deep dive on Bird Dog. The market cap is at 3.58 million. We are up on a day 13.97% for the past 24 hours, and the price is back up to 0.003 cents. So let's take a look at the charts and see what else is going on. Perfect. Look at this, guys. Almost exactly as we said in our last video. Once we do break up on this level right over here, then we should be continuing our way to the upside. Guys, this is looking beautiful. We are above, slightly above this level right here. As long as we continue and we remain in this level right over here, bouncing up and down, then we should be retesting this level right up here before we continue our way to the upside. So far, we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Look at this, guys. And this trade here is a winner. This trade here is a winner so far as well. So we should be expecting 1,078% move to the upside for this trade right over here. Whereas this trade here, even though, well, look at this, guys, even though I was looking for the future prediction for this price, even if you bring it down to quite a modest range, let's say back up to the last all-time highs, that's another 372% move to the upside. So that's not too shabby, guys, between these two trades. See, guys, this is the power of DCA your way in, because this one here will give you 10x, and this one here will give you over 3x. So that's 13x move just from these two trades over here. Now I reckon we'll continue our way to the upside. If you'd like to learn how to do more of this, guys, easy, head over to my YouTube channel right over there, go to my membership and subscribe to my members only, where it costs you roughly around about a coffee. Guys, don't sleep on it, because it looks like we are on the verge of continuing our way to the upside. But anyway, that's my thoughts. You let me know in the comments. This is the daily chart on the Bird Dog. You let me know, guys, whether you're bullish on Bird Dog. Why don't we move on to the next one? Let's see which one's worthy talking about. All right, Success Kid. All right, we haven't done a proper Success Kid video for a little while. The market cap is at $2.36 million market cap. We are up on the day 1.31%, and the price is slightly above 2.5 cents. So let's take a look at the charts and see what is going on. Perfecto. Check this out, boys and girls. Okay, so it's looking like that we are on the verge of breaking above the small little resistance line, and we should be continuing our way up from the moment once we do smash that level. Hang on. Here we are. Perfect. Okay, we're not slightly above, but we had peaked above right over here in the last few days ago. And it looked like we pulled back, and now it looks like we could be jetting our way back to the upside. And once we do, our target should be 1 second, people, and our target should be round about up here, and that'd be a pretty decent move, because so far we're in 2 trades right now. These 2 trades are in a green, which is good. Once we do get back up to this level, we should be expecting a lovely, look at that, 25% move to the upside. Guys, this is how you can make some decent trades, and that's a lovely 25% move to the upside. Guys, no one can't say they can't make money in crypto. The question is how much money are you willing to trade, and most importantly, your risk tolerance. Guys, I must preface, this is not financial advice, it's showing exactly what I've been doing for the past several years, but most importantly, only trade what you can afford to lose. With great risks, there are always great rewards. So guys, trade carefully and do your research. All right, so I reckon with Success Kid, we should be continuing our way up from here. Yeah, it looks like we're on the verge of continuing from here. So now would be a good time to add another trade. All right, guys, so it looks like I'm going to be adding more trades because it's looking more positive, and we should be continuing our way up to the upside from this level right over here. And I'll be targeting at least this level right over here. Reason why? Because I want to try to collect as much profit as possible so I can recycle the profits into other memes or even back into this meme, and that will give me a lovely 30% move to the upside because I'm looking to take profit slightly above from this local high right up there, or should I say this local high. Anyway, where do I reckon Bird Dog and Success Kid will get to in that bull run? I still reckon both Bird Dog and Success Kid should give us a 1000x move to the upside. It just means you just got a dollar cost your way in right now. And if you're already holding a position, guys, great, keep on holding because you've got to trade like a boss and have a nerve of the steel and have that mindset of playing the long haul game. Anyway, let's move on to the next meme. And guys, don't forget, you can also let me know which coins you would like me to do a video on next, because I'm more than happy to take requests for videos. So drop in your suggestion within the comments. Don't be shy, so we can talk about the memes or cryptos that you're currently holding. Now let's go look for a couple of other different memes. I don't know, should we go for Black Okinu or should we continue searching? All right, tell you what, let's have a look at MAD. All right, the market cap for MAD is actually 13.03. We are down 7.08% on the day. However, all in all, it's looking very, very healthy. I do reckon we should be able to expect at least 100x for MAD. Structurally, it's looking absolutely beautiful. And we are in this trade still, and we are positive. Guys, it's not looking too bad at all. If we move across like so, this trade is not happening anytime soon, so we can get rid of that. Yeah, so it's not looking too bad. Not looking too shabby. All right, so here's my analysis for MAD. All we got to do, if we do come back a little bit more, it could be worth adding a second trade. If we do come back down into this line right over here, if so, it presents us more opportunities to earn quite decent gains when we do get back up to the last all-time highs, and I'll show you how. Because I reckon if we do come back down into this level, that'll be another chance to get in for a second trade, and I'll be holding it for the last I'll be holding till the last all-time highs, and that'll be 249% move over here, 247. That is a little shy of 500%, so that's nearly 5x move over here. To be more specific, that's going to be 247, 249, that's 493% move to the upside. That's not too shabby, guys. That's if we do come back into these levels. If we don't, and we decide to break above here, it might be worth adding even more trades for that continuation to the upside. Either way, guys, it looks like MAD is in a decent structure for a bullish move to the upside. I reckon with MAD we should be able to expect quite easy 100x move from here. I'll be happy to walk away with 50x, but it all depends how MAD reacts during that bull season. But most importantly, I also like to check out what's going on within their socials over here and their marketing push during that bull season. I would also like to see more exchanges coming in from MAD. So perhaps my suggestion would be for this project is to try to get onto many exchanges as possible. That way you can drive more options and more people buying into the project. Let's go do one more meme and then we are out of here so I can prepare for the next video. All right, let's take a look on what CatDog is doing, because CatDog has been absolutely insane for the past several days. Okay, so the market cap is at 6.43% on the day. We are down on a day 11.79% for the past 24 hours. So let's take a closer look at the charts and see what is going on. All right, even with Bird Dog, guys, it's looking amazing. Look at this. We are witnessing a slight little pullback, which is pretty cool. Oof, this could be worth another trade. Damn. All right, guys, let me try something. This would be quite a decent move, actually. All right, firstly, why don't we just lower our expectations just a little bit rather than talking about the future prices. All we got to do is literally just measure to the last all-time highs, because I'm going to show you how you can dollar cost your way in to make some pretty significant gains even to the last all-time highs. Fantastic. All right, check this out, guys. So far we are winning on two of these trades. So this trade here will give us 1,143%. It will give us 3,705% move to the upside. That's potentially 40x move just from here. Whew, that would be pretty insane gains. We can actually add potentially another one more trade within this level here. Let me just narrow that in just a little bit, because we've entered around about here with this trade. If I was to bring this over, I want to see us come back down into this level right here, because it looks like there could be an opportunity for us to grab another trade for that pullback. Perfect. Look at this, guys. Who doesn't want 1,958% move to the upside? Oof, that's nearly another 20x. All right, guys, do not sleep on Cat Dog. This is how you can make some insane gains. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you want to catch up or learn how to do this more specifically, head over to my YouTube channel. Go to my members only right over here. I will do a video on Cat Dog shortly on how to trade something like this. Guys, do not miss out. Alright, this concludes the video, guys, and for all you guys who've been missing out on my videos, much apologies. I am feeling a little bit better now, so that means I should be able to continue and have no excuse to push more videos. If you do find this useful and informative, then guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and then I'll see you all in the next one.